Hey guys, this is your host Michael. Welcome to my channel Technical Michael. So I'm going to introduce you to a new platform which is Legends. Legendscollectibles.io is the website's name. They are having their native token, which is a deflationary token, but we can also stake it and farm NFT from it. So pretty exciting platform, pretty new, pretty early, so we can still make some handsome profits with it. So let's see how it goes and let's start the video. तो दोस्तों, लेजेंड्स प्लेटफॉर्म है, बहुत अर्ली प्लेटफॉर्म है, एक एनएफटी मार्केट प्लेस है. लेजेंड्स इसका नेटिव टोकन है जो एक डिफ्लेशनरी टोकन भी है. बहुत नया प्लेटफॉर्म है, लेजिट प्लेटफॉर्म है. तो आइए देखते हैं, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसा है और यहाँ से हम कैसा एक अच्छा पैसा कमा सकते हैं. गाइस, इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, click on the notification bell and like my videos. Here we actually share projects about cryptocurrencies, DeFi's and online earning platforms. We share regular updates on it. We have a Telegram channel also, so please subscribe my channel and let's start the video. So let's go to their website. See, we have a buy link of legend tokens here. By clicking this link, we can straight away go to PancakeSwap and we can still select these tokens and we can straight away buy it from here only. The legend token is a deflationary yield token that reward holders for holding and taxes sellers. The legend token is also used as the native token in our NFT farms for farms high quality NFTs. Means basically this token is a deflationary tokens, just than many tokens out there in the market, but we can also stake this tokens to farm NFTs. Means you would only have to stake your tokens for farming some NFTs over here. Okay, so it has a utility, means it is a deflationary token, but it has a utility too, guys. Okay, what makes Legends NFT unique? We know NFT are a buzzword right now, but just hear us out. Crypto themed NFTs. The Legends brand features a variety of exclusive and unique artwork in themed collections capturing legendary characters, celebrity influencers, and icons from the pop culture and from the crypto space. Okay, so they will be making NFTs of influencers from pop culture and crypto space. That looks good. Original artworks. Most of the collectibles also include original soundtracks made by real musicians and music artists recorded in a real studio for Legends. Okay, that sounds great too. Made by several digital artists all over the world. Legends is not just a premier NFT brand, but is a culmination of digital artists from all over the world coming together and collaborating towards making the original highest quality pieces of digital collectibles available in the crypto space. Maybe you can even get a chance to claim a Beeple without knowing it was really made by the man himself. Let's look about some tokenomics. So total supply was 1/4 million, same like SafeMoon or many other coins here. 99% coins have burned already. Means basically they have burned 99% of the total supply. Means I think now the total supply is only 1 trillion or something. Yes, it may be, yeah, 1 trillion. Legends token charges a 6% tax on each transaction, of which 4% is sent to holders and 2% is sent to the marketing wallet. Okay, so they haven't put any special marketing wallet in the total supply. Okay, instead they have there is no developer tokens from the total supply. Instead they have put a 2% tax on each transaction for marketing. Okay, Generally we see 5-10% of wallet from the total supply for this marketing purposes, but they have put a 2% tax on each transaction for marketing wallet. 4% gets distributed to holders, and then this again 4% is added to the liquidity. Okay, 4% of each transaction is added back into the to ensure liquidity flow is constantly rising. And guys, means to providing liquidity in every transaction is also always good, as there is plenty of liquidity there, so there will be a high chance of people buying and selling it without any errors and problems, as less liquidity creates problems of big transactions being failed due to price impact, and more liquidity does not have this kind of problems, and all the transactions are made very easily. uh, Experienced team legends team is made up of a team of 5 with expertise in various fields such as marketing, web design, graphic design, sound engineering, etc. Okay, see, I know, means I don't know personally, but I have seen these developers in other projects too. So it is definitely not a rug pull scam, and this developers can be trusted. They are obviously they are anonymous. They have not appeared right now, but I know 1-2 developers from the from this team, which are in other projects too, which are running great. They have not rug pull any single project, and so I can trust on them that this will not be a scam or a rug pull. Actually, they have also locked their liquidity tokens on DXL also for some 30-35 days. So I think it is a good project, and the main thing is that they have given this token a utility. Okay, so means people can see, I must tell you what is their staking platform. Just we can look at that. This NFT farm is the thing where we can stake our tokens. Okay, actually I need to I'm using a mobile file for making this video, so I need to connect it to my wallet first, Trust Wallet or Token Pocket wallet. So just a second, friends, my daughter is asking something. Sorry about that. uh, so this is their farm. I have gone through I have opened that link in my Trust Wallet. So these are NFTs. We can open farms and stake our tokens here. There will be no tax on staking. Means that 10%, we are not applicable of that 10% tax of each transaction on this staking platform. So we can stake our tokens as much as we want without losing any of the token in that transaction tax. Only wallet to wallet transfers and buy sale of tokens will have transaction means a tax on transactions. Okay, so there are some cool NFTs over here. You can anyway farm it, and there is a farming tutorial here. You can look on this also. Basically what you will farm tokens here, you will get some means points for it. Okay, and the longer you stake your tokens, the more you get points, and from that points you can redeem means the eligible token, eligible NFT, which you can say let's see what is this NFT. Safe Mars NFT is all about earn by Safe Mars and degenerate money. This artwork aren't mined anywhere else. You can only find this NFT on degenerate. Okay, I should enter this farm. Let's see where it goes. Okay, so guys, my Trust Wallet is not connecting, but you can enter farms and see many people have staked their tokens here. Okay, so it is a good platform. Devs are good. I mean, platform looks legit. It is definitely not a rug pull, but always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an YouTuber, and this video is for educational purposes. So you can see their chart. Actually, the it was launched yesterday only, but it has given some massive profits. It was really pumped, but right now it has somewhat dumped also, not on the floor, but it has dumped a little bit, and uh, means I think this can be a good price to buy on, and later if the project pumps up, so it will be an easy 4 5x or 10x maybe, because right now price is not much. People have means it has gone to 3 cents also. Currently it is pretty much under 10 cents. So I think this is a good price to buy, or if you have already bought it in some high prices, this price is to just double up your coins. So buy some more tokens of it, and I think it will gradually give us some good profits. I am looking forward for this price, and this price is 10x from now. Actually, it is 10x. Seeing the current price, it is 10x. So uh, I'm looking forward for this price, and I have bought more of it. So now I will, if you have got everything about this token and the platform, I will summarize it in Hindi also for my Indian users, Indian subscribers. So friends, ये एक NFT मार्केट प्लेस है जिन्होंने अपना टोकन लॉन्च किया है, और ये टोकन सिर्फ इन्होंने लॉन्च किया तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक डिफ्लेशनरी टोकन बना दिया। इन्होंने उसका यूटिलिटी भी रखा है कि इस टोकन को आप स्टेक कर सकते हो। ओके, अलग अलग फार्म्स के लिए, अलग अलग एनएफटी के लिए एक्चुअली इसको आप स्टेक कर सकते हो। तो ये टोकन को आप स्टेक कर सकते हो। डिफ्लेशनरी टोकन भी है। 4% इसका होल्डर्स में बढ़ रहा है, 4% लिक्विडिटी पे जा रहा है, और 2% डेवलपर्स के मार्केटिंग वॉलेट में जा रहा है इसकी मार्केटिंग की फ़ीस के लिए। तो ये आप देख लीजिए, ये अच्छा टोकन लग रहा है। आप अपनी रिसर्च प्लीज़ कर लीजिएगा। हो सकता है प्राइस डबल हो जाए, ट्रिपल हो जाए, या 5 गुना हो जाए, या 10 गुना हो जाए। तो अभी ये काफ़ी सस्ते प्राइस में है, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा अभी इसकी प्राइस नहीं है। फिर भी आप अपनी रिसर्च कर लीजिए कि कब आपको इसको बाय करना है। मैं हमेशा आपको रिकमेंड करूँगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट से बाय मत करिए। अगर आपका जितना भी पोर्टफोलियो है उसका 1%, 2%, मुश्किल से 5%, 10% आप ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में लगा सकते हो, क्योंकि इसमें प्रॉफिट बहुत अच्छा होता है दोस्तों। कम समय पे होता है, इसको आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक ही होल्ड नहीं करना है। कम समय में बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट ये देता है। कभी कभी लॉस भी होता है, लेकिन लॉस फिर आपके हाथ में होता है। मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है कि बिल्कुल आपका एकदम ही लॉस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि देखिए जैसे मैं, जो मेरी इसमें स्ट्रेटजी है कि मैंने लगभग इस प्राइस पॉइंट पे उसको पहले बाय किया था, फिर अगेन मैंने इसको इस प्राइस पॉइंट पे फिर बाय किया, और फिर यहाँ पे मैंने और बाय किया। ओके, तो अब ये प्राइस यहाँ पे है, तो और थोड़ा थोड़ा बाय किया, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत बाय किया। अगर ये यहाँ से बढ़ के 1-2 दिन में यहाँ पे जाता है, या उससे भी ऊपर जाता है आगे, है ना, तो हमारा बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट निकलेगा दोस्तों। ओके, और ये क्विक समय पे निकलता है, ऐसा नहीं कि, और अगर ये यहाँ पे रहा भी तो ठीक है, हमें उतना कोई मुझे उतना कुछ लॉस होगा नहीं, मुश्किल से 25% का होगा, जो कि अगर ज़्यादा अमाउंट हमने नहीं लगाया। और तो मतलब मुझे सेल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बेसिकली। अगर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि ये प्राइस धीरे धीरे या इसी लेवल पे है, या धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, तो मैं कुछ दिन रुक जाऊँगा, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट मुझे अच्छा दिख रहा है, डेवलपर्स इसके अच्छे हैं, टीम इसकी अच्छी है। मेन बात है अभी इसके होल्डर्स बहुत कम है। ओके, होल्डर्स अभी इसके सिर्फ आप देख सकते हैं, ये देखिए 1874 है। गाइस, this project has holders of only 1874 addresses. Okay, only 1874 holders are there right now currently, and imagine if it gets to 10k holders or 100k holders. Okay, so gradually price will increase, the demand will create, the price will increase. So means it can be a big project, it can be a huge profit for us. ओके दोस्तों, तो आप देख लीजिए कि अगर ये 10,000 1 लाख होल्डर्स इसके हो जाते हैं तो ये कितना प्रॉफिट दे सकता है, क्योंकि इसका मार्केट कैप हम देख लेते हैं अभी। लेट्स लुक फॉर द मार्केट कैप। इट इज़ करंटली इट्स ओनली 7,56,000. Okay, so actually I was looking at it yesterday, and it was over 2.7 million market cap. Okay, so it can gradually go up there to 2 million to 5 million. It can go, and people will buy more. Actually, they have not yet started any big marketings and all. So I'm looking forward this project, and let's hope for the best. So good luck to this Legends team, and uh, if you like the video, I have given my views, my thoughts about it. This is not a paid promotion video. Okay, I like the video, I like the project, that's why I'm sharing it. I have invested in it, so that's why I'm sharing it. सो डू योर ओन रिसर्च बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग इट गाइज। आप अपना रिसर्च कर लीजिए, ठीक है। अपने प्रॉफिट्स को, अपने लॉसेस को बराबर देखिए। प्रॉफिट्स होता है तो प्रॉफिट्स भी निकालिए, लॉस की स्थिति बनती है तो ये देखिए कि हमारा ज़्यादा लॉस ना हो। ओके, इफ़ यू हैव लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, like the video, comment on the video, and please share it. Please show some love for my channel and help me grow it. Okay, currently I am having uh, just 550 something subscribers. So let's I'm hoping a target for giving a target for myself of 1000 subscribers as early as possible. So let's see when we will reach here. I think maybe 1 week or 2 weeks we can achieve this target. So guys, please like the video, subscribe my channel, and be active. You can also join my Telegram channel. Okay, links are all in description. Okay guys, so see you later. Have a good day. Bye bye.